Ever wondered if a single plant could revolutionize your health? Meet Moringa, nature's multivitamin. Known scientifically as Moringa oleifera, this remarkable tree hails from the foothills of the Himalayas but has spread its branches globally due to its profound health benefits. Cultures around the world have embraced Moringa for centuries, utilizing its leaves, seeds, and roots to combat malnutrition and support overall health. Revered for its dense nutritional profile and medicinal properties, Moringa stands tall in the world of wellness. Stick around to uncover how this humble plant could be the game changer in your wellness routine. What if I told you Moringa contains more vitamin C than oranges? Indeed, the humble Moringa tree, often dubbed the miracle tree, isn't just a casual player in the Superfood League. Let's delve into the leaves of this wonder. Moringa leaves are a treasure trove of nutrients, boasting high levels of vitamins A, C, and E. Vitamin A in Moringa, essential for healthy vision and immune functions, surpasses the amounts found in carrots. When it comes to vitamin C, which is vital for repairing tissues and boosting immunity, Moringa leaves contain 7 times more than what you'd find in oranges. But that's not all. Moringa is rich in calcium and potassium, crucial for strong bones and proper nerve and muscle function. It even gives a stiff competition to bananas in potassium content. And for those looking into plant-based proteins, Moringa provides a substantial amount, rivaling the protein content in yogurt. With such a nutritional lineup, it's no wonder Moringa is climbing the charts of superfoods. Battling frequent colds, Moringa might just be your herbal knight. When it comes to bolstering the immune system, the natural world offers some remarkable solutions, and Moringa oleifera is a standout. Commonly known as the drumstick tree, this plant is not just a dietary staple in many cultures, but also a potent ally against pathogens. Recent studies highlight Moringa's impressive array of immune-boosting properties. It's rich in antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These compounds are not just fancy names, they actively scavenge harmful free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering your susceptibility to infections. But Moringa doesn't stop there. It also exhibits strong antibacterial and antifungal activities. This means it can help ward off bacterial and fungal infections, which are common culprits behind many health complaints. For instance, research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrated Moringa's effectiveness against several strains of microbes, including those that cause food poisoning and skin infections. Furthermore, Moringa enhances the function of the immune system by increasing the production of immune cells. This makes your body more adept at fending off illnesses before they take hold. Imagine your immune system as an army. Moringa is like the training program that keeps the troops ready and alert. So if you're looking for a natural way to stay healthy, particularly during those months when colds and flu are rampant, consider Moringa. Incorporating Moringa into your diet could be your shield against the next bug going around. Forget your morning coffee, why not try a Moringa smoothie? While many reach for a cup of joe to kickstart their day, Moringa offers a revitalizing alternative that energizes without the jittery side effects of caffeine. This vibrant green powerhouse is rich in iron and magnesium, 2 minerals that play a pivotal role in converting food into energy. Iron is not just for strength, it's essential for the creation of hemoglobin, which helps oxygenate your blood, providing your cells with the fuel they need to produce energy. On the other hand, magnesium aids in the activation of ATP, the currency of energy in our cells. Together, these nutrients help in enhancing your energy levels naturally, making you feel more alert and ready to tackle the day. Moreover, Moringa's benefits extend beyond just a quick boost. Its nutrients support sustained energy release, keeping you powered throughout the day without any crashes. For sustained energy throughout the day, Moringa could well be your go-to green. Struggling with the scales? Moringa could tip them in your favor. This natural powerhouse isn't just packed with nutrients, it also plays a clever role in weight management. How, you ask? Well, Moringa leaves are rich in nutrients, while being notably low in calories, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Moringa enhances the metabolism of fats, essentially helping the body to burn calories faster. It's like giving a wee nudge to your body's natural calorie-burning engine. Moreover, the high fiber content in moringa leaves means they can help you feel fuller for longer. This can reduce cravings and prevent overeating, which is often a hurdle when trying to shed those extra pounds. Furthermore, moringa's natural compounds can aid in reducing fat formation and enhancing fat breakdown, which are essential processes in achieving weight loss. So, if you're on a journey to a healthier weight, incorporating moringa into your diet might just make your path a bit smoother. For those watching their weight, moringa might be the natural aid you've been looking for. Inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, but moringa fights back. Now, delve into the world of this remarkable plant's anti-inflammatory powers. Moringa, often celebrated for its nutrient density, also harbors potent anti-inflammatory compounds. These include isothiocyanates and flavonoids, which are like the plant's natural warriors against inflammation. Research sheds light on how these compounds help. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that moringa leaves, when processed into extract, significantly reduce inflammation in cell models. This suggests not just a suppression of inflammation, but a proactive role in cellular health. Another fascinating aspect is how moringa's anti-inflammatory properties extend beyond just acute responses. They play a role in potentially managing chronic inflammation, which is linked to several long-term health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even some forms of cancer. To understand the impact of moringa, imagine a natural resource that not only nourishes the body, but also protects it by reducing harmful inflammation. Moringa's ability to reduce inflammation could be crucial in managing chronic diseases. Dreaming of glowing skin and luscious locks? Let's explore how moringa, often hailed as the miracle tree, plays a crucial role in enhancing the health and appearance of your skin and hair. Rich in vitamins A and E, moringa serves as a fantastic natural booster for skin health. Vitamin A is essential for reducing wrinkles and maintaining the moisture barrier of the skin, while vitamin E protects the skin against UV radiation and environmental pollutants. Together, these vitamins help in maintaining skin elasticity and promoting a youthful glow. But the benefits don't stop there. Moringa is also packed with essential nutrients that strengthen hair. It's high in zinc, which aids in keratin production, making hair stronger and healthier. Furthermore, the iron in moringa boosts oxygen supply to the hair follicles, enhancing growth and vitality. Dermatologists and health studies have endorsed moringa for its profound effects on skin and hair. Regular inclusion of moringa in your diet could help combat skin aging signs and promote robust, shiny hair. Moringa could be your secret ingredient for that radiant glow and healthy hair. Boost your brain power with moringa. Delve into the remarkable effects of moringa on brain health. This mighty plant is not just a nutrient powerhouse. It's particularly rich in antioxidants that play a crucial role in brain function. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a villain in the story of aging and cognitive decline. By neutralizing free radicals, these antioxidants protect brain cells from damage and support overall brain health. But moringa doesn't stop there. It's also packed with essential nutrients that are vital for the brain. These include vitamins E and C, both known for their roles in maintaining cognitive function. Moreover, moringa contains an impressive profile of minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are essential for neurotransmitter function. These neurotransmitters are the chemical messengers in the brain, involved in everything from mood regulation to memory. So whether it's enhancing memory, boosting focus, or simply maintaining a healthy brain as you age, moringa offers a natural, nutrient-rich solution. Moringa isn't just food for the body, it's also fuel for the brain. A healthy heart beats a happy rhythm. Let's dive into how moringa, often hailed as a miracle tree, supports one of the most vital organs in your body. Moringa leaves are rich in potassium, a crucial mineral that helps maintain normal blood pressure levels. By balancing sodium and easing tension in the blood vessel walls, potassium ensures that your heart pumps blood efficiently without undue strain. Moreover, moringa is a treasure trove of antioxidants. These compounds are vital in fighting off oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of heart disease. Antioxidants such as quercetin, which is abundant in moringa, are known to help lower blood pressure. Another antioxidant, chlorogenic acid, which is also found in high amounts in moringa, aids in moderating blood sugar levels post-meals, and this can indirectly support heart health by preventing arterial damage. To keep your heart in tip-top shape, consider adding moringa to your diet. So, we've journeyed through the impressive array of moringa's health benefits. Let's take a moment to recap the marvels of this vibrant green superfood. Moringa, often hailed as a miracle tree, is a treasure trove of nutrients. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that our bodies crave. From vitamin A to zinc, it's like nature's very own multivitamin. But moringa doesn't stop at just nourishing us. It boosts our immune system, making it a formidable ally against infections and illnesses. And for those days when you feel a bit sluggish, remember, moringa is a natural energy booster, giving you that much needed lift without the jitters of caffeine. It supports weight loss, fights inflammation, and even enhances the health of your skin and hair, giving you a natural glow. Not to forget, it supports brain health and is a heart-healthy choice, promoting overall cardiovascular wellness. With moringa's remarkable health benefits, perhaps it's time to make this superfood a staple in your wellness regime. Cheers to good health.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest